here's how to cancel NPTEL course registration. So the first thing that you are going to do is to search for NPTEL Swayam on the Google or any Chrome website that you have. Afterwards, go ahead and click on the first website that you will see from the Google Chrome. After that, wait for a few seconds until you will be redirected on the main dashboard page. Once you're already on the main dashboard page, you will see their sign in and register options. So what you need to do is to click on the sign in and register. Now, once you have already signed in, you will be able to see there a dashboard on the left side which is courses. Click on the courses options that you will see. Now, after clicking on the courses options, you will see there all the courses exams that you are registered with. Now, for you to be able to cancel the registration, all you need to do is to click on the program and click refund.